to Saturdays with Samuel. This Saturday, I want to speak about unity, especially team unity. The core of every team, the need core of every team is unity. You must be having great plans, strategies, projects, vision, dream. But if there is no unity in a team, it will be impossible for any team to achieve their goals, to win their game. Because I believe, for example, people are singing in a group in different scales, altrano, soprano, bass, tenor. But if one group says, no, I'm not going to sing in my given bass, I will sing as I want to sing, then the harmony, the outcome of that song will be terrible. But if everybody is singing their own part, then the harmony will be so beautiful. As Bible says, the psalmist says, it is impossible, or it's, if I say, how good and pleasant it is that brothers dwell in unity. Brothers dwell in unity. The outcome of dwelling in unity will be good and pleasant. Team leader, I want to encourage you and I want to tell you, it is good to have a dream. It is good to have a vision. It is very good to have good people on your team. But the unity is the need core of each and every team. If you are playing as a team, be a team member. Never project yourself. Never tell anybody that I am best. Be a team, stay as a team, speak as a team, think as a team. Because if you are playing against a team, if you are playing alone, then the chances of winning that game will be zero. But if you are playing with a team, as a team, against a team, then the chances of winning that game will be higher. So focus on team unity, stay united, speak as a team, live as a team, and you will achieve your dream. Because Bible says in book of Amos, can two people who walk together without agreeing go along? No. So stay in unity. God bless you.